In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ExpressVPN on a laptop. Installing ExpressVPN on your laptop helps protect your internet traffic by routing it through an encrypted tunnel. That means your internet provider, network administrators, and people on public Wi-Fi have a much harder time seeing what you're doing online. The good news is that the setup is quick, and once it's done, connecting is very simple. To begin, open your web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Sign into your account using your account credentials. After that, check your email for the temporary 6-digit verification code, enter it on the verification screen, and continue. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the section called Set Up Your Devices. In that area, you'll see your activation code. Copy that alphanumeric code and keep the browser tab open because you'll need it again in a moment. Next, download the correct app for your laptop. From the same dashboard, click the download button for either Windows or Mac, depending on the operating system you're using. This ensures you get the correct installer for your device. When the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and run the installer. On Windows, this will be an exe file, and on Mac, it will be a PKG file. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. During this process, the app may install network components needed for the VPN to work properly, so just allow the setup to finish. Once the installation is complete, open the ExpressVPN app from your desktop, dock, or applications menu. When the sign-in screen appears, choose the option to sign in with an activation code, paste the code you copied earlier into the field, then click Continue. This links the app to your account without requiring you to enter your main password in the app itself. After the app is authenticated, look at the main screen. By default, ExpressVPN will usually suggest a smart location, which is designed to give you a fast connection based on where you are. If you want to use that option, you can leave it as is. If you'd rather choose another location, click the 3 horizontal dots next to the current location, browse through the recommended or all locations list, and then double-click the country or city you want to use. The app will begin preparing that secure route automatically. Now return to the main app screen and click the large power button once. In just a few seconds, the interface should change to a solid green protected status. That indicates the VPN tunnel is active and your traffic is now secured. As a final check, open a private or incognito browser window and go to the ExpressVPN IP check page. Confirm that the IP address and location shown match the server location you selected. Also, verify that your internet provider details are hidden. If everything